To open tonight's festivities, please welcome a champion of the arts and co-founder of Red Opera, Hiya's producer, Sherwin Sorzon.
Una, 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 kaya, kaya, ay! Una, 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 kaya, kaya, ay!